Hello, Professor Chris. Hello, teacher assistant and everybody. My name is Yin and I am Vietnamese. So next is the presentations of 78th group, the project named AI-based tool for assisting pharmacy students in drug interaction recognition in Vietnam. They are my team members, and Miss Lương Thị Bích Toàn is our leader. Vietnam is in the process of strong transformation to integrate with the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where AI becomes a key pillar. In that context, the healthcare industry, a field directly related to human health and life, faces both great opportunities and challenges. The topic, Mini AI Pharmacist, AI-based tool for assisting pharmacy students in drug interaction recognition in Vietnam, was born from the following urgent reasons. Firstly, the current state of knowledge about drug interactions among medical staff and students in Vietnam still have many alarming limitations. The core issues were clearly identified through a survey of 210 students of the Faculty of Medicine and Pharmacy. Unclear handwriting was the biggest obstacle, with 74 students accounted for 35.2%, rating that it as very much. This situation led to the possibility of confusion between drugs named with similar spellings. For example, the word prednisolone were easily misread as prednison due to unclear handwriting. Difficulty in understanding abbreviations were the second most difficult problem, with 59 students. It is accounted for 28.1% reported high difficulty. The system of abbreviations was not consistent amongst doctors, making it difficult for students to decode. For example, the symbol OD could be interpreted as occurrence dexter, right eye, or once daily, depending on the context. Lack of dosage information were rated as a serious difficulty by 47 students. It's about 22.4%. These conditions were particularly dangerous with drugs and have many narrow therapeutic index. Long prescription processing times are an inevitable consequence of above difficulties, with 40.5% of students needing 3 to 5 minutes and 29% need more than 5 minutes for a prescription. The work pressure at pharmacies and hospital pharmacies becomes heavier. And then come to this, we have a question survey that have you ever made a mistake due to failing to recognize drug interaction or misreading a prescription, and really misreading the prescription accounted for 55.7%, and then the student or medical staff who never is accounted for 24.8%, and the people who are never misreading a prescription is about 19.5%. Second, drug interaction cause serious clinical, economic, and social consequences. Drug interaction not only reduce treatment effectiveness but also increase toxicity, leading to prolonged hospital stays, increased treatment costs, and even directly threatens the life of patients. One study found that drug interaction are associated with a significant increase in hospital stay and cost. In addition, these errors also damage people's trust in the health system, increase the workload for medical staff due to having to deal with consequential incidents, and negatively affect the physical and mental health of patients themselves. Potential consequences are reflected in students' concerns. 69.5% are concerned about the risks of taking the wrong medication. 67.6% are afraid of misidentifying the dosage, and 57.6% are worried about not detecting dangerous drug interaction. The topic Mini AI Pharmacist, AI-based tool for assisting pharmacy students in drug interaction recognition in Vietnam, is aimed at students who major in medicine and pharmacy with the goal of proposing an AI solution to support medical students in recognizing drug interactions through practical surveys. Due to limited resources, we research focus on assessing the needs of pharmacy students, analyzing the advantage and disadvantage of existing OCR or AI technologies. Proposing a feasible application model. See the opportunities for OCR and AI here through the survey that we have did in September. Needs for using AI or OCR in supporting prescription reading and drug interaction recognition. And the number of 42.9% is for occasionally, and 19% for never, and 38.1% for frequently. Then user experience with AI application integrate with OCR technology. Customized software of the hospital was chosen the most of people because they're exactly research, and then the Google Bison API, and then the with OCR and accounted for the list is ABBYY file reader. Regarding technical feasibility, the survey results provide positive indicators. 8.1% of students highly appreciate the feasibilities of AI drug interaction analysis, reflecting confidence in the ability to apply this technology in practice. For example, students can take photo of a prescription containing amoxicillin and tetracycline, and the application will automatically warn about interaction that reduce tetracycline absorption. 1.9% believe in the ability to apply OCR to recognize handwriting, showing a willingness to accept this technology as an alternative manual reading. In terms of economic feasibility, the analysis shown nearly 50% of students only accept to use the free version, which is suitable for limited financial capacity of this group. However, with 19% of students need to use it regularly, this is potential use group for the premium version. Proposed freemium model. Free version limits the number of scans, paid version provide full features. In terms of operational feasibility, 72.4% of students have accounted handwritten prescriptions that creates a need real-world usage needs. 57.6% concerned about not detecting dangerous drug interactions suggest the app address the right pain points. 52.9% wants the app to integrate multiple elements, simple, multifunctional, illustrated, user-friendly interface design guidelines. Regarding technical feasibility, the survey results provide positive indicators. 8.1% of students highly appreciate the feasibilities of AI drug interaction analysis, reflecting confidence in the ability to apply this technology in practice. For example, students can take photo of a prescription containing amoxicillin and tetracycline, and the application will automatically warn about interaction that reduce tetracycline absorption. 1.9% believe in the ability to apply OCR to recognize handwriting, showing a willingness to accept this technology as an alternative manual reading. In terms of economic feasibility, the analysis shown nearly 50% of students only accept to use the free version, which is suitable for limited financial capacity of this group. However, with 19% of students need to use it regularly, this is potential use group for the premium version. Proposed freemium model. Free version limits the number of scans, paid version provide full features. In terms of operational feasibility, 72.4% of students have accounted handwritten prescriptions that creates a need real-world usage needs. 57.6% concerned about not detecting dangerous drug interactions suggest the app address the right pain points. 52.9% wants the app to integrate multiple elements, simple, multifunctional, illustrated, user-friendly interface design guidelines. Now is the advantage. The advantage or high and urgent practical demand through previous data, you can see it, and readiness to adopt new technology, legal environment, and supporting policies. Now is the disadvantage. First is technical challenge through previous data, economic challenge, student affordability, nearly 50% of students only accept to use the free version, raising the issue of sustainability of business model, organizations, and operational challenges. Data security issue of 71% of users are concerned about security of data decryption information, requiring a multi-layered security system, changing using habits, switching from traditional methods of using digital tools requires time and appropriate training strategies. Technical solutions develop a specialized OCR model for Vietnamese. Integrate and fine-tune Tesseract OCR on a specified data sets of 10,000 plus handwriting samples of Vietnamese doctors. Build an intelligent image pre-processing pipeline that automatically adjusts branding, contrast, rotates, and crop image. Data and algorithm resolution. Develop a comprehensive drug interaction database. Integrate a data from Vietnamese pharmacopoeia drug bank and reportable international sources. Source. Design a multi-level warning algorithm, like contraindications, warnings, and notes. Implement an adaptive machine learning mechanism. Build a user feedback system to continuously improve accuracy. Each time a user corrects an OCR result or acknowledge a warning, it will be recorded to retrain the model. Development and business solutions. Apply a flexible freemium model. Free version limits 15 scans a day, warning of high-level dangerous interactions. Premium version like 49,000 Vietnam dong a month. Unlimited number of scans, phone database access, history storage, and reports export features. Integration and cooperation strategy. Develop open APIs to allow universities to integrate into existing e-learning systems, cooperate with hospitals to digitize sample prescription warehouses for AI training. Security and compliance solution. Implement a multi-layer security architecture, end-to-end encryption for all prescription data and user information. Develop a data anonymization mechanism that automatically deletes personally identifiable information after 24 hours. User training and support solution. Develop and integrate training system. Integrate the learn by example feature with a library of over 500 sample prescriptions with the detailed explanation. Deploy a chatbot to support answering questions about drug and interact 24 for interact solution originality. The solution is considered to be original because filling the market gap. In Vietnam, AI solutions supporting in-depth learning for medical students, especially combining OCR to read the handwritten prescriptions and interaction warnings, is still a big gap. Special combination. The project proposed a comprehensive, integrated tool combining the power of OCR optimized for Vietnamese NLP, understanding medical context and drug interaction database, specifically designed for the practical context in Vietnam. Here is our reference, and thank you so much for listening. This is the end of our presentation.